Morning guys, today is Sunday, February 26th, 2017. I don't know what we're going to do today. Don't really have anything planned. I didn't have too good of a sleep last night. I'm fighting this cold. I don't know if you can tell. A little stuffy, runny nose. But taking medicine, drinking my Mulungu, and hopefully I'll get over this soon. But like I said, I don't know what we're doing today. I know I need to get in there and get a shave today. But I'm sure something's going to pop up. Something always goes on here in the Philippines. Alright guys, so I just got done drinking my Mulungu tea this morning. I went with the tea instead of the NutriBlast mixed drink. Actually had some warm tea, put some honey in it, and drank that. But anyways, I'm sitting here, I was looking up some of the health benefits here of the Mulungu tree, and I thought I'd share them with you. One of them is it normalizes blood sugar. For people with diabetes, it helps normalize the blood sugars. Combating malnutrition. It's used as an anti-infection, an antibacterial, and an anti-fungal, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, produces more breast milk for women that are breastfeeding, strengthens the immune system, helps to restore skin condition, relieves headaches, strengthens the eye muscles, prevent the intestinal worms, increase the semen count, helps relax and promote good night's sleep, treats the common cold, fever, and asthma, heals ulcers, cleans dirty or polluted water, treats rheumatoidism, and also helps with high cholesterol. Let me see. Mulungu is rich in vitamin A. It contains 4 times more vitamin A or beta carotene than carrots. Therefore, it helps against blindness. Bananas are a rich source of potassium, but Mulungu leaves contain several times more potassium than bananas. Along with potassium, zinc is also found in large quantities of Mulungu. Let me see. It also said it has digestive powers. It is a nutrition booster to help promote the feeling of well-being of people. Let me see. The cell structure of the body is stimulated by the Mulungu leaves. Let's see what else. It protects the liver and kidneys. It says Mulungu contains more than 90 nutrients and 46 types of antioxidants. Let me tell you, first time I ever ran into Mulungu, and I didn't even know it was a Mulungu leaf, or I didn't even know about the Mulungu tree. We were actually down in the province. There was 3 of us. We were piled on a motorbike. Those that are from the Philippines know what I mean when people pile on a motorbike. But we were riding down the road. We had a fella on a bicycle decided he was going to come into the path of us riding down the road. So we weren't going very fast. We hit him. We did come off the motorbike. Her brother was driving. He absorbed most of the impact. But anyways, I got up. Her brother was sitting there. Had a nice cut on the side of his head. I seen an old fella run over to this tree, rip these leaves off this tree, shove it in his mouth, chew on it for a while, make a big wad of it, went over and stuck it in her brother's head where he was bleeding. I would say within a minute or 2, the bleeding stopped. I later found out that was Mulungu. But yeah, I figured I'd share that little bit of information with you. If you want to know more, there's quite a bit more that I've left out. But yeah, check it out sometime and check out the benefits of it. Alright guys, hey, we're over here in Hensonville. We used to live over in this area, but I'm going to show you our old apartment where we were living, 2013, 2014. They really improved it. But yeah. Right there. Actually, right there. That end, not the end unit, but the one right next to it. But it's a nice place, nice apartment. The only problem was it's very loud. Right here, we just went over it. There's a speed bump. So when you go over the speed bump, and these motorbikes here have these very loud exhaust systems, they start cranking on it, and you'd hear it all night long. But like I said, it was a nice apartment, but the sound was the downfall to the whole apartment. But alright. Alright guys, we're gonna head on in here to Santa Maria. I guess it's got a new name, Immaculate Conception Church. I'm not gonna do probably any talking here, just do a little video so you guys can see inside the church here. Alright. Alright guys, we just finished up in church. I think we're gonna go grab something to eat somewhere. Not quite sure. Ludi, you have any ideas?
I don't have any ideas.
No ideas?
No, not at all.
Alright, we'll figure something out. Alright guys, we're gonna go in here and eat at LukFoo, Chinese restaurant. Alright, came highly recommended by a few YouTube friends of mine, so we're gonna go in there and grab ourselves some dinner tonight. LukFoo. Alright guys, so we kind of went with something simple tonight. I'm not feeling well, so I just went with, oh, what was it? It was a soup. It was called the fried pork chop noodle soup. Also went with, it was called deep fried taro puffs. No idea what that is, but the picture looks good. Ludi, what did you go with? You went with
R10.
R10, which is Lechon Kawali, and
Also D2.
D2, which is steamed shrimp dumplings. Alright guys, the Lechon Kawali has arrived. Looks pretty good.
The sauce.
It's the sauce right there for dipping. So yeah, looks good. I'll tell you what guys, I just had a little piece of that Lechon Kawali there. I'll tell you what, it's that's the best Lechon Kawali I've ever had in a restaurant here in the Philippines. Very good, very tasty. If you don't know what Lechon Kawali is, it's pork. For those that don't know, it's pork. Alright guys, the soup has arrived and boy does it look good. Dumplings have arrived. And it's time to dig in and eat. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. We finished up our meal here. Excellent food here. Highly recommend it. This is called LukFoo Canteen Kitchen. Right next to the Pure Gold up here in, where is it at, Len? Mabalaka, which is just outside of Angeles City here. But yeah, that's about it. I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Just head home, take a shower, upload this video, call it a night. Once again guys, thanks so much for viewing. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like my videos, please subscribe. Give me some thumbs up or thumbs down. The choice is yours. If you leave some comments, I'll do my best to get back to you on that. But that about wraps it up for the day. All right, guys.